everyone. I just wanted to start off by saying thank you to all of those who have been telling us about your home learning, and thank you to those who have also been sending in some pictures of their home learning. I really enjoyed looking at some of the retells and some of the innovations of the rainbow fish. It seemed really fun and exciting to do, so well done. Okay, for this storytelling activity, what you should have done already is watch the story of the owl babies, because today we are going to be innovating the story. So for my story today, I have decided to change the characters from the owl mother and her owl babies to a dinosaur mother and her dinosaur babies. I'm just going to show you what I have done. I don't know if you can see, but I've decided to take my storytelling outside today because the sun started to come out, but it really is up to you. You can do your storytelling outside or inside. Okay. So like last week, I have my writing paper, and on my writing paper it has the sentence starters which I'm going to be using for the different parts of the story, and then I have put my characters on a little nest that I made. Okay, I hope you enjoy listening to my story. Once there were 3 dinosaurs: Dazzle, Stego and Littlefoot. They lived in a nest on the branch of a tree with their dinosaur mother. Next, they woke up and their dinosaur mother had disappeared. "Where's my mother?" asked Dazzle. "Oh my goodness," said Stego. "I want my mummy," said Littlefoot. But their dinosaur mummy didn't come. Then the dinosaur babies came out of their nest and sat on the floor and waited. "She'll be back soon," said Dazzle. "She'll be back," said Stego. "I want my mummy," said Littlefoot. After that, the 3 babies closed their eyes and wished for their dinosaur mother to come. Roar, roar. Soft and silently, she swooped through the trees to Dazzle, Stego and Littlefoot. Finally, Mummy Dinosaur said, "What's all the fuss? You knew I'd come back." The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to my innovation. It was really fun to do, and I can't wait to see what you get up to at home. So remember, once you've retold your story, you might want to have a go of writing some of your story. For parents as well, I have made a Word document, and in the Word document it just breaks down the story of the owl babies, and it just tells you how I innovated my story and what I said. So the document is called Owl Babies to Dinosaur Babies Storytelling Innovation. And that just breaks it down a bit more for you. Okay, thank you for listening, and Bye bye from the dinosaur mother and her owl babies.